Hi, I'm Kirk O'Brien. I'm the animation and cartooning teacher at the Visual Arts Center in Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm going to show you how to construct a cartoon figure out of a pair of triangles. I'm going to start with a simple circle for the head. I'll put guidelines through it, and then I'll establish the ear in the middle because this is a side view. I'll add on the jaw. The jaw comes out of the ear. Dropping a line straight down. I draw a single triangle that's going to give him a belly. This guy's going to be a little fat. And then I'll draw another triangle below that for the legs. I'll add in a third triangle. That'll create a foot. A fourth triangle, which is kind of elongated. It's kind of long, and that'll create an arm. And then a much smaller triangle right there to create a hand going back. I've got the basic figure now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to start working on the detailing. I'll start by adding in an eye, just a simple circle, and a dot in it. I'll add a nose, and then I'm going to give this guy a heck of an overbite. I'm really going to make it pop out. And when I do his jaw, I'm not going to give him very much jaw. You can give him more jaw if you want. Do the neck. Notice that where the neck joins into the body, it's at a bit of a slant. Then what I'm going to do is drop a line down, and I'm going to start to get his coat. Swing that back a bit from the original triangle. Do his shoulder. Sketch it in. There we go. Then what I'm going to do, come in and I'll get a little tie. I'll start adding details bit by bit. Like I said, his belly's going to stick out, and when I draw the belt, I'm going to make the line for the belt curve to make it go around his body as opposed to very flat. Down go the pants. I'll put a little indentation at the knee, have them crunch up a bit there at the shoe, give them a little bit of a bum, and drop a line down. For the shoe, I'll add an extra triangle, very small triangle at the end. That'll get the toes of the shoe. Then I'll go in and I'll draw the sole, and I'll add a little heel. I'll come in, and when I draw the hand, I will draw the smallest finger first, and then I'll just work back. And if you look, it's a U and two J's. I'll come in now, and I'm going to go back and tag in the rest of his head, and I'll just do his hair. Just going to do a simple contour line. That's a line around the edge of something. Add a little bit of hair over the ear, shade a little in back. Here I'm going to bring out the far leg, which you're only going to see part of. It's hidden behind the first leg. I'll shade it, and then I'll drop a bit of shadow under the figure. It's a good idea to add shadow because that will ground the figure. And add a couple folds here and there. And at this point, I'm going to go in and I'm going to start inking the drawing and time-lapse photography. This is going to go fairly quickly, but it'll show you what I keep and what I discard, and I'm going to erase at the end of the time-lapse. Feel free to stop the video at any point to take a closer look. And there you go. I'll thicken up a few lines. Got a finished drawing.